In a world increasingly aware of the environmental impact of human activities, the need for sustainable and effective cleaning solutions is paramount. AQUAQUICK 2000 emerges as a beacon of hope, offering a powerful yet eco-friendly approach to tackling oil and grease contamination. Derived from a plant-based formula, AQUAQUICK 2000 is entirely biodegradable and non-toxic. This remarkable solution represents a significant step forward in responsible cleaning practices. Unlike harsh chemical agents that can linger in the environment, AQUAQUICK 2000 breaks down naturally. This ensures the safety of both the users and the delicate ecosystems we strive to protect. Its versatility is another key strength, proving effective on a wide range of oils and greases, from mineral and synthetic to vegetable and animal-based. AQUAQUICK 2000 is not just about cleaning, it's about responsible cleaning. It's about choosing a path that respects our planet while effectively addressing the challenges of oil and grease contamination. Road spills, often involving oil or fuel, pose a serious threat to both human safety and the environment. AQUAQUICK 2000 provides a swift and effective solution to these hazardous situations. Its rapid action quickly breaks down the oil, making it easier to clean up and minimizing the risk of accidents. Imagine a busy highway, the tarmac stained with a slick of engine oil. The situation demands immediate attention, and AQUAQUICK 2000 steps up to the challenge. Fire departments, particularly in the Netherlands where the product has been a trusted solution since 1995, rely on AQUAQUICK 2000 to ensure public safety. The spilled oil, a potential hazard for vehicles and a pollutant to the surrounding environment, is swiftly neutralized. AQUAQUICK 2000's ability to accelerate biodegradation means that the cleanup process is not only faster, but also more environmentally friendly. Beyond road spills, AQUAQUICK 2000 proves its worth in a variety of industrial applications. Tanks used to store oil and fuel often accumulate residues that can compromise their integrity and pose safety risks. AQUAQUICK 2000 provides a safe and effective method for cleaning and degassing these tanks. Its non-toxic nature ensures the safety of workers during the cleaning process. Over time, pipes transporting oil and other fluids can become clogged with sludge, reducing efficiency and increasing the risk of blockages. AQUAQUICK 2000 effectively breaks down this sludge, restoring optimal flow and extending the lifespan of the infrastructure. This not only saves on costly repairs or replacements, but also minimizes disruptions to operations. In commercial kitchens where grease buildup is a constant concern, AQUAQUICK 2000 offers a safe and effective alternative to harsh chemical degreasers. It can be used on surfaces, equipment, and even in drainage systems, ensuring a hygienic and safe environment for food preparation. AQUAQUICK 2000 embodies a commitment to sustainability, offering a cleaning solution that is as kind to the planet as it is effective. Its biodegradability ensures that it breaks down naturally, leaving behind no harmful residues. This is particularly important in sensitive environments where spills or contamination can have a devastating impact on wildlife. In cases of oil spills affecting wildlife, AQUAQUICK 2000 can be used to safely clean and rehabilitate affected animals. Its gentle yet effective formula removes the oil without harming the animal's delicate skin or feathers. From cleaning oil spills on roads to maintaining industrial equipment, AQUAQUICK 2000 provides a versatile and sustainable solution. Its non-toxic, biodegradable nature, coupled with its effectiveness in tackling various oil and grease contaminations, makes it a responsible choice for a cleaner, healthier planet. By choosing AQUAQUICK 2000, we choose a path towards a future where cleanliness and sustainability go hand in hand.